Hello friends, today's video will be extraordinary. So today's video will see how to promote your YouTube videos via Google Ads. So we'll do that with only $5 today and it will help you to grow your views and subscribers as well as watch time for the video. So we'll see how to do that. So first go to the Google and write Google Ads, then go inside that link and you have to sign in over there. Just click on sign in, then you will enter in the Google Ads platform. So here you can see I have done one video promotion before, which is Bali Kikak Dance, and I have got 134 views with $9.93. And today we'll do with only $5, which will help us to get more views than this because we are going to do a target or customized campaign which focuses on getting more views. So before doing that, I want to show you how to link your channel with the Google Ads. So for that, go to the YouTube Studio and go to the channel. Then in the advanced setting, click on link account and put your channel name with the Google Ad number, which will be on the top on the right side over here in the screen. Then go to the tools and data manager. There, go to the manage and link and you can accept the request from receipts section. Then your channel get linked. Now let's go and create a campaign. Click on create a campaign without guidance, then on video, then on video views. You can choose a couple of options. You can look after that, but let's go with the videos views for now. Then click on continue. Then put a campaign name. Here I'm going to select the Bali video. So my campaign name will be Bali Visa Promotion. Then here click on all the ads. So select everything. No need to do anything on the bid strategy. So just put $5 over here and the finish date will be 2 days after. So the ad will run for 2 days with $5. On the networks, just uncheck this one. Then select the location. In my case, I'll just put Australia and Nepal. You can choose any country. Then all good for language. Then on the related video, you can put any of your videos from YouTube Studio. So I put two related videos. Then in the additional setting, choose the devices. So I'll choose computer and mobile phone only. Then put the group name if you want. And you can leave the demographic just like that. Then you can put detailed demographic here. Since the video is about Bali visa, so I'll put family holidays, business travels, travel. So these sort of keywords you can choose according to your video. Then you can check the impression, how much impression it will make with the related keywords. Then going down, click on audience expansion, then put some keywords. Then you can put a topic with the visa. Just choose your relevant topic. No need to do anything on the placement. Then put your video link that you want to promote here. And then put the channel link. Then put a headline with the description. You can also preview your ad. Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Then we can go to the vid section. Then put the bid amount, whatever is there, 0.02. Then you can click on create campaign. However, there is a problem with the keyword, so we'll fix the keyword as per policy details. Then you can go down and click on create campaign again. You can check the impression or performance on the right side, how much views you will get it on this Google ad. Then check your all the details and then click on continue and wait for your campaign to start. So today I'm back with after 2 days and I'm going to check the video how much views I have got after the Google ads. So this is the video. Let's go to the analytics, rich. Then here you can see the section where you get all the views from. So I'm getting 403 views from YouTube advertising and 15.3 watch hours. So this is the power of Google ads. But do note that this views and watch time doesn't contribute to the monetization. So you'll ask me what is the benefit of doing this? Then there are three benefits which we'll discuss now. So the first one is you'll get a lot of views on your videos. So whenever people search for the content, so there is a high chance your videos will come on the top and then you will start getting the organic views after that. And the second one is YouTube will pushes your video to the YouTube ads. And once the people like your content, then there is a high chance they will subscribe your channel and also they will view other videos, which will get you more organic views from other videos too. And the third one is when you have a channel with lots of subscriber and the videos with the lots of views, then your channel looks professional and eye-catching. So these are the reason why you have to promote your videos from Google Ads. So I hope you like the content. So if you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel. This will give me motivation to make another videos. Thank you. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye.